It's hard to imagine anything more reinvigorating than a few days in Bali. Nestled amidst breezy hills and surrounded by tropical rainforest and the ocean, it's more than just a wellness escape. It's a life-changing journey where you can be a part of responsible tourism. On arrival, I could benefit from a physical consultation to ensure a tailor-made approach to wellness. It is obvious that the programs are designed to leave guests feeling rejuvenated. With a limited number of luxury suites and villas, the resort never feels crowded. You will get to know the staff well during your vacation, with everyone from the therapist to the coach being on hand to ensure that your stay lives up to their expectations. You may be on vacation, but there's no reason you can't throw some self-improvement in the mix too. From the personal food diet to the holistic medicine treatments, it's nice to see that everything here is targeted toward achieving optimal health. With an abundance of fitness courses and spa treatments on offer, this place is ideal for a whole host of rejuvenation-seeking travelers. For those in search of deep peace and relaxation, I highly recommend a stay at this unique resort.